Heading into the factory now at BAIC in Quebec, Port Elizabeth, the Kucha area. And well, I think we're going to have to wait and see what's going to happen.
I am the production lead, and I'll be leading the tour.
Hello, my name is Michael. I'm the owner of CHANGECARS and the host of the TV show All Things Motoring. I have one mission, and that is to make a difference to the motoring public. Making a difference how? Making sure that you have safe options, making sure that you have knowledge. In that regard, it is my absolute pleasure and privilege to work with Alan Rosenmeyer of MotorMatters. The man with a hat, I'm the man with no hat, he's the man with the knowledge. Thank you for watching.
Walking into the assembly building right now.
As I said to you guys, our plant
This is our tour guide over here.
Building SKD and CKD. As I said to you guys earlier, at the moment right now it's SKD build mode. We just try.
It is the trim line over there. You can see where they fit all the trim on the cars.
What happens here is body dimensions get taken here periodically. It's a very important process that we need to do. We're making use of state-of-the-art equipment. You can see there's the Zeiss arm, and then we also have the Ferro arm. I believe the accuracy here is up to 10 microns of a millimeter. So it needs to be very, very accurate. Okay. So this is a process that is cumbersome but necessary. A complete body. You can see our robots are also in action. We're making use of very sophisticated equipment. You can see we've got Kuka machines, we've got Siemens machines. These are all state-of-the-art machines. What you're seeing there is a robot just going to front of that. Just going to the side What you're looking at here now is the first event. We are now stopped. The line comprises of 24 stations, 23 working stations, and then one quality station. Okay. As you can see, the guys are already busy assembling. And these cars, to your point, these are obviously built for the market.
Right.
And naturally, like you all should understand that from the trimline perspective, what goes in here is your interior trim. Most of the interior trim, your carpets, your seat belts, in the engine compartment is your ABS units, your engine harness, the start of your engine harness, with your on our left, and I want you to keep your orientation, okay? As we walk down on your left, as you now approach me.
So this is where the assembly line ends. Final line, as you can see, and then it's going to go to the testing area. The capacity is available, and this could just be next stages of this factory. Is, have a look, medium and heavy trucks could just be coming out of this plant one of these days as well. These are pilot builds that they've done here themselves. EV version of the X55, basically, not exactly, but pretty much the EV version, coming in about a year's time. So we're going to see a lot of it soon, okay? Corporate social responsibility time, and gifts being handed out to the kids from the SOS Children's Village, who are spending the day with BAIC South Africa as well, and touring the plant and things like that. Just being looked after and spoiled a little bit. Savvy investing is best left to the experts. And when it comes to offshore investing, it's even more important to talk to an expert. Well, Earl Don from Forexpert is the guy you should be talking to for your offshore investments.